हेलो गाइस, आई होप कि आप सब लोग घर पर सेफ है। तो आज हम करने जा रहे हैं द रोड नॉट टेकन के ढेर सारे एमसीक्यूज़ और इन एमसीक्यूज़ के पीडीएफ का लिंक तो नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया हुआ है। सो अगर आपको लगता है कि आपने पोएम अच्छे से कर रखा है तो आप लोग जाके डायरेक्टली उन्हें भी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। चलिए आप बढ़ते हैं अपने पहले क्वेश्चन की ओर। व्हाट इज़ द डिलेमा ऑफ द पोएट? ऑप्शन ए, वेदर ही विल बी एबल टू कम बैक टू द सेकेंड रोड और नॉट। ऑप्शन बी, वेदर ही विल गेट टाइम फॉर हिमसेल्फ। ऑप्शन सी, whether he will be successful. Option D, whether he will be able to walk. And the correct answer is whether he will be able to come back to second road or not. Next question comes here. What does the poet's decision of taking less traveled road signify? Option A, poet's risk taking habit. Option B, arrogance of the poet. Option C, poet's curiosity. Option D, poet's negligence. And the correct answer is poet's risk taking habit. Next question comes here. What does the choice of road signify? Option A, too many things. Option B, two paths. Option C, toughness of a choice and decision in life. Option D, none. And the correct answer is toughness of a choice and decision in life. Next question comes here. Where does the poet find himself? Option A, on the road. Option B, on a bus. Option C, on a muddy road. Option D, on a fork. And the correct answer is on a fork. Next question comes here. What does poet's long stare at the path signify? Option A, time taken by people to decide and making a choice. Option B, poet loves nature. Option C, idling way of time. Option D, relaxation hours. And the correct answer is time taken by people to decide and make a choice. Next question comes here. What do yellow woods represent? Option A, people. Option B, older people. Option C, poets. Option D, choice. And the correct answer is older people. Next question comes here. Why was the poet able to travel one road only? Option A, because he had to walk alone. Option B, because he had no vehicle. Option C, because he was one person. Option D, all of above. And the correct answer is because he was one person. Next question comes here. Why is the poet asking to be wise while choosing a pathway? Option A, because there is no going back option. Option B, because it is the only one road. Option C, because it is one-sided road. Option D, none. And the correct answer is because there is no going back option. Next question comes here. Which thing decide a person's future according to this poem? Option A, path 1 chooses to walk. Option B, path 1 leaves behind. Option C, regrets. Option D, success. And the correct answer is the path 1 chooses to walk. Question comes here. What does the poem speak about? Option A, about the plight of roads. Option B, about the people. Option C, about two roads. Option D, about the choices made by people. And the correct answer is about the choices made by people. Next question comes here. Who is the poet of this poem? Option A, James. Option B, William James. Option C, William Wordsworth. Option D, Robert Frost. And the correct answer is Robert Frost. Next question comes here. What do the roads signify in the poem? Option A, path or choice that was left or was not chosen to tread. Option B, pathway. Option C, pathway on the roadside. Option D, road with two turns. And the correct answer is path or choice that was left or was not chosen to tread. Next question comes here. Why did the poet choose the second road? Option A, because it was well built. Option B, because it was not used by many people and was appealing to poet. Option C, because it was beautiful. Option D, all of above. And the correct answer is because it was not used by many people and was appealing to poet. Next question comes here. What is the message of this poem? Option A, be wise while choosing and taking decision. Option B, two roads are confusing. Option C, road is nothing but a pathway. Option D, all these things. And the correct answer is be wise while choosing and taking decisions. Next question comes here. What do the words long I stood mean in the poem? Option A, poet's dilemma. Option B, poet was in relaxing mood. Option C, poet was enjoying the nature. Option D, poet was thinking. And the correct answer is poet's dilemma. Next question comes here. What does diverge means? ऑप्शन ए टू बी सेपरेटेड एंड टेकिंग अ डिफरेंट टर्न, ऑप्शन बी टू बी टॉर्न, ऑप्शन सी टू ब्रेक, ऑप्शन डी ऑल ऑफ अबव। एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज to be separated and taking a different turn. Next question comes here. Why was the poet looking at the path? Option A to decide whether it is suitable for him. Option B to see how long it was. Option C to check the road. Option D none. And the correct answer is to decide whether it was suitable for him. Next question comes here. What does yellow woods mean? Option A falling leaves. Option B forest with yellow leaves in the autumn season. Option C wood yellow in color. Option D none. And the correct answer is forest with yellow leaves in autumn season. Next question comes here. What does grassy mean in the poem? Option A road which is not used by anyone. Option B comfortable road. Option C road with all luxuries. Option D well built road. And the correct answer is road which is not used by anyone. Next question comes here. What shows that the road has been used by many people? Option A green and untrampled grass on it. Option B mud on it. Option C broken stones on it. Option D all. And the correct answer is the green and untrampled grass on it. So guys, यही थे हमारे टॉप MCQs जिनके बारे में मैंने तुम्हें अच्छे से बता दिया है। नीचे जो PDF के लिंक्स है उनसे तुम और अच्छे से कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर कर लेना और उन्हें भी चेकआउट कर लेना। मेक श्योर दैट यू आर सब्सक्राइबिंग द चैनल बिकॉज जितने चैप्टर तुम्हारे टर्म 1 में आ रहे हैं सबके MCQs कुछ इसी प्रकार से तुम्हारे पास आ रहे होंगे। ठीक, सो थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग एंड गुड बाय।